and thank you for being here today. I'm Federica Crosato. I'm a PhD student from UAV University of Venice. And today I present our study, Actor Network Theory for Evaluating BIM AI Implementation in Design Firm. It's the first part of my PhD research, and I did in collaboration with Luciana Burdi and Ali Burani from Boston. Yes, this is the... sorry. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, yes, this is the presentation outline of today. And yes, to start, building information modeling has become an important component of information management in the construction sector, supported by sophisticated technology. And for this reason, map internal flow is important is essential for assessing how new technology can shape the internal flow and the circulation of data across the project and across the actor. And for also the BIM effectiveness is depends of the clear definition of project objectives and also the BIM uses. As regarding the AI tools, as we can see also in this beautiful conference, encompass a broad domain of technique dedicated to automation with machine learning, deep learning. But despite their potential, the effectiveness integration of AI in the construction sector depends also in the perception and the competencies and the attitude of the professional. And as a light recent report, AI is now used across the different architect, engineer, across a wide spectrum of activities, from chatbot to supporting the daily activities, also for visual content for the early stage design. But despite this growing interest of AI, the literature is fragmented. There is a lot of study that analyze risk, benefit, and specific application in BIM processes. But this aspect has not been discussed within a design firm. In particular, such technical perspective and approach that helps the researcher to analyze the different components and the different factors that helps the researcher to drive this research has not been developed. In particular, our holistic framework is still lacking. And the actor network theory is one of the socio-technical theory that helps the researcher to analyze and conceptualize both human actor and non-human actor, like technology, processes, policies, and so on. And all the entities are at the same level, and all the entities are capable to shape in action within the network. And yes, and in the construction sector, and the literature is used for many studies used for analyze the BIM maturity in development in some organization, also for study BIM planning practices, and so on. So the study proposed a novel anti-model for the BIM AI domain and in the construction sector. And this research in particular wants to investigate how is BIM implementation conceptualized within design firm, and what are the key components for evaluating BIM AI implementation in design. The methodology starts with the literature review and focus on BIM implementation in design and the AI application in design. And after a screening of the document, we analyze in depth the study. And the first finding are that the BIM implementation in design firm is studied with a different method and different system. With the major method is the survey, but it's also analyzed with the interview with a framework that analyzes different components, because BIM implementation is it has to be studied with different different components like the framework TOE, so technology, organization, and environmental factors. And for the AI application in design, first of all, the literature showed that the AI application has to define at the beginning some condition and a requirement to apply this the AI in the BIM processes, and the domain and the application are several, like spatial planning, parametric modeling, and on generative design, performance design analysis, and so on. And after this finding, we define the key components, and these different key components we organize in a scale range from not discussed to primary focus, and we analyze that, yes, the technology are always the most area in which the literature show the attention, but also there are components from the organization field to the market characteristic. As we see in this graph, maybe not the technology, but also the standard and policies and top management. So the importance of the process of change management in the organization is very important. But one of the components that only few study is also the project delivery system, because also the project delivery system, so the procurement method can also as a component that enable or in the implementation in design firm. For this reason, after the organization of this area of these key components of AI, BIM and AI implementation, we define the network. So this is the Ant diagram. And we define four specific area in which we organize the different key components of the literature review, and we organize in four main areas: market, stakeholder, technology, and project characteristic. These four main areas are also have two subgroups. In particular, we so in the technology characteristic, we divide the technology, BIM, and AI. And for project characteristic, we define the project delivery system, project management. For the market, we divide the standard and external factor. And for stakeholder, we divide internal and external stakeholder. That internal are directly involved in the project, and instead the external stakeholder are like municipality and the external entities that influence the implementation. So that are the key components that we summarize in this different group, and this helps the researcher to connect the different element, and the connection of the different element helps to support the researcher to research and focus the attention, in particular which if we connect the technology characteristic and AI with the internal stakeholder characteristic, we can analyze which BIM activities could most benefit from AI integration, or what kind of policy or standard would help the organization to adopt AI, or how does a specific project delivery system influence the organization BIM requirements on AI objectives, or how does the organization plan to integrate AI into BIM process based on the intent and use. So this diagram is a conceptual framework that supports the researcher to analyze the BIM AI implementation, and the contribution lies on the development of a structured methodological and socio-technical approach to this domain. And yes, this is the first phase of the next phase, that is the data collection for our research and for the researcher who wants to analyze the BIM AI domain. Thank you. Yes, is the